And we're live, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We are building. Oh, so we're gonna build Docker. And what's Docker? Docker is like VMware for. Well, we're basically gonna build a server that's gonna host or hold the large language model. And right now, what you're looking at is us doing it from absolute scratch. So this let's go to this guy. Alright. So the first thing I did before we went live is I made sure that I got rid of Docker. So there's no Docker on this operating system right here. Now, you're going to do the first part and hopefully this works. So, first part. This guy right here is htop. That's just showing us the resources we have. And then you notice once I execute anything on here, even when I just move the mouse, you notice all these numbers move because every time you do anything on the computer, even when I just talk through this mic, it's gonna pull up. But alright, so let's go. First things first, let's update, make sure. Oh, I'm putting on the wrong one. Hang on. Just to make it a habit. And this is Debian 13. So, okay, cool. Okay, so we are up to date. Those are the packets that it took off. Alright, so what's next? Next we're gonna do is install certificates. So I'm gonna say yes when it comes up. Alright, those guys done. Now what we're gonna do is find out you gotta do key rings, right? So let me write that. And hang on. It's a good thing we haven't started. This one we are gonna require internet, ladies and gentlemen, because we're installing new programs, clearing up stuff before we have to have internet. So hang on. Alright guys, I have to do something here. Yep. No. This guy. And this guy. Alright. So I'm gonna come over here and get on this network. Alright, we're back. So, now that we have network access, and you notice instantly all these guys started moving, because I got one background program that needs to work for this. It's also a good way, like, I can be crazy and turn on Wireshark, and really see what's going on, but that's not what we're trying to do. Now that we have connection, let's repeat the process. This guys. Alright. This dude. Alright. And now we gotta install the key rings. So see. What? Oh, yeah, I gotta create a directory. So I have to put in documents or? What? Oh, this is gonna take forever. I gotta build that path from scratch. Yo, I'm very new to this. I'm gonna pause this for a little bit, and we're gonna come back to it. I gotta make a note for it. This and which one? You know what? Let's take it offline and run DeepSeek. Now, there's some of you guys that are like, well, why don't you run everything? I'm like, no, the whole point is to run everything online. But this particular one didn't even say no when I asked it about, do you send anything back to China? So, but it's really lightweight, so I'm trying to get rid of. No, I'm just working. Let's see how fast that works. 700 megs, 866, 9, and 1.1 gigs, 1.2, 1.4, 1.5. When are you going to swap that? Okay. Alright, we're up. It's lightweight and it's already up, so let's go. Time. pause on that project and do something because there's a lot of things. So now we're going to do a project on offline project where we just write a small Python program. And we're going to do it from scratch. And this is where we call create and then iterate. So I'm going to start and make the mistakes and then learn it by the end. We'll know exactly how to do it. So now, really fast, really lightweight. %, on 3, so it's using that. This is so far the most efficient. Okay, sweet. So alright, so since David Anthony uses apt-get for system that you'll need to have the terminal running, you can enter it using terminal emulator, Control-Alt-T, tonk or xterm. Alright, so Control-Alt-T, and bam, notice right here. So we got all the resources running here. There's all llama there. And then this is our programming terminal, and this is the instructions. So step 1, open the terminal. Get it? There we go. Step 2, enter Python mode. And in the bash, type python-c, print hello world. Right? So, oh crap, I have this on. That's the thing, and then outside it says that's what you're supposed to say, close it. Alright? And then he says, press enter. After typing the above command, expect output hello world. Huh? Am I supposed to do it from sudo? Okay, so the syntax is wrong. Alright, let me go back and let's see what it says it's supposed to do, and then we'll. What? Wait. Do I even have it on here? That's what I'm supposed to figure out. Alright, let me do this guy. Wait a minute. Is it Python 3? Jesus Christ. Are you serious? If that's all I had to do, it'd be ridiculous. So I do it with a text editor? Because you said terminal, not a text editor. Alright, maybe. Do I have Nano on there? Maybe I'll be able to use Nano if it is. It's a fresh install. I mean, technically. Let's do it anyway. There you go. I want it for all caps. to. Okay, wait, what? So I got the nano and I wrote it in there and I said, hey, all you have to do is print and say this. Now, save the file and exit the text editor, right? So how do I save? How do I save that from in here? So should I go with this one? Save contents? No, where did I put that? Oh, hello.py. No, wait. F2. Alright, sweet. So we saved it. What? Save the file and exit text editor. Alright, got it. So F2. So yes. Yeah, so yes, right? Got it. So it's saved. So CD. What? Where do I go? How do I do that? What? Yeah, I'm tripping, right? Or am I supposed to go like this and then help? What did I miss? Dude, any programmers in here, fucking let me know. Cause I shoot the shebang in the middle and user bin environment. Oh, this is gonna not be cool. Damn it, man. Alright. This was not as successful. And thank you guys. This has been amazing. We learned what we don't know how to do. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and do this for you guys. Good night, y'all. Thank you for being here.